that it is eligible for the buy one get one free. Got the Labor Day savings, Labor Day deals, 2 deals, power tools at the lowest. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. To start here, we got the grill here for $2.99, down from $3.49. Got the buy one get one free from Cobalt XTRs, top of the line Cobalt, and then we got an inflatable decoration for $24.98. Seems like we have a whole bunch of Halloween decorations. Not gonna go over all of them, but they do have a huge section. Seems to be getting bigger every year. So we have here at the clearance section, down to $25 from $139. A lot of these are just getting clearanced out. A lot of people order these and they never pick them up, or they change their mind. We got pedestal here for the washers and dryers, the newer style, the side loaders. We got some more cabinets here, brand new in box, $200, down from $400. Same thing with this, 36 sink base white. We got some fridges here on clearance, down to $1,500, or yeah, $1,500. It says dented. I couldn't see the dents on that one. This one does have some dents. I'll show you guys right now. So it's down to $1,000 from $2,600. It's actually a really nice fridge. If you guys got rental properties, or if you want to put this, in a more like a garage type, or it's a really nice fridge for a rental property, basically. It's not too bad, not wasting your $2,000, unless you want the brand new one, then obviously. Alright, so this one's actually pretty nice. Few scratches on it. It's $800. It says dented. I did not see the dents on this one. It's completely brand new and it's never used. A lot of these get shipped and they get, once the homeowner gets them and they don't want it, because sometimes you get a small scratch. Obviously, you're going to pay retail price on something like that. You want it, 100% brand new, basically. $700 down from $898. You got this toolbox down to $199 from $259. It's the black and black. Really like that. However, it's on the smaller side. Got the rotary tread, 2-piece kit, $19.98. I never used one of these before, but very interesting how this works. Looking at these pictures and the stuff that's inside. Alright, so you got some spade bits and some auger bits. They call them power bits. So these are the power bits that they call them, the Stinger. These are actually not too bad. I used these for several different tests. $5.98 for the 6-in-1. And then you got $5.98 for the 10-in-1 precision screwdriver set. So that is the precision. It's always nice to have something like this. Because the bigger screwdrivers, you find them everywhere. But these smaller ones are really hard to find. Especially, for smaller stuff that you have to take off, or, kind of do a quick repair or see what's wrong with it. And then you got the 6-in-1 there. Alright, you got some blades here. They are camel. 3-piece camouflage knife sets, $19.98. And then same thing with the magnetic levels. It's nothing new we've seen before. So $17.98 on those. And this is great, guys, for the plumbing. If you're doing plumbing like on the bottom of the sinks, you want to just give it a nice give there, so the water flows fluently. You got $229 for this one. I'm pretty sure this one's going to be on clearance because it's a specialty item. Alright, you got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of these tools and you get yourself a free starter kit. So it's not a bad deal. And the same thing with this one. You buy this and get this free. Circular saw. That's what it says right there. Get this. Buy this and get that. Alright, and they do have that sale, the Bosch sale at the website, because I did a Labor Day deal online. and I did see that online. So if you have any questions that you don't want to go to the stores, you can always go online and just pick it up there or have it mailed. Alright, you got the 12-in-1 dual size combination hex key. And then you got some Weeha. So they're $8.98 down from $9.98. Alright, they got the X-Lock. Same thing with this one. They're advertising buy one get one free. I believe some of these already expired. I don't know if they're currently running this deal. I haven't. Alright, they got the buy one get one free. You basically buy any of these kits and you get a free battery. I'll show you guys that right now. So you got the drill driver for $169 the kit. You got the impact wrench for $269. That's it right there, guys. So you got the buy one get one free. Buy any of those on the left, get yourself a free 4 amp hour battery. Killer deal on that one. So pretty good stuff. You got the buy more save more from Craftsman. You spend $300, get $100. You save $100. You spend $200, save $50. You spend $100, save $20. There's a lot of good deals, miss and match. And buy more save more are hackable at the Loves. The buy one get one free are not hackable at the Loves. So just keep that in mind when you're buying stuff like that. You got $99 for the impact driver. This is the 3/8 impact wrench. That's the impact driver. The V20. The new RP lines, they're top of the line tools. Basically, it's just a DeWalt rebranded or lipstick or whatever, red lipstick on it. They just nerf it a little bit, you know, just bring it down a little bit, and it's a Craftsman. That's how it is. But you're still getting DeWalt quality Black & Decker, Stanley Black & Decker, DeWalt. Alright, you got the compact brushless drill, $99. Alright, so they got the buy one get one free. This is for the Labor Day savings. So you basically buy this miter saw and get yourself a free stand. Now this one's not the slider. I will be showing you guys the slider, and I will be showing you guys the screenshot of the online. It is online. It is available for the eligible for the buy one get one free. The slider, that's the one that I want. But this one I will not get it. But if you prefer that, you know, the compactness, then you can always pick that one up. It says work stand with miter saw. Alright, so you got the 6-2 combo kit for $4.99. Was $5.49. Does come with 2 batteries, a nice soft case or soft tool bag. $99 your choice here. Got the lights, you got the fans. Usually the fans are all quick. Alright, they got the buy more save more from Flex. So the black boxes, guys, there are the newer batteries. They do have the newer batteries, the new lithium stacked batteries. That's the 3.5, the 6, and the 10. Alright, that's the rear handle. That's the newer rear handle. That thing's a beast. And they got the impact driver. They got the rear handle and the sidewinder for $3.99 with the new power stack batteries. Alright, so they got the buy one get one free from Bosch. So you select pair tool, you get a free 4 amp hour starter kit. It expires 10/19/22. And guys, I did see this hammer drill. I never seen this hammer drill before. That's the code right there. I don't know if the model number. I don't know if this is actually a newer version or like a newer drill, or let me know down in the comment section if you know a little bit more about Bosch. Bosch is a little confusing. That sometimes they'll release some new stuff and it looks older, or you know, they go back. That's just weird how they handle their thing. Alright, so you got the drill, 2-2 combo kit, impact driver $159. They're on clearance, by the way. You got the impact wrench $151. They got the Freak $129 down from $159. They got job site radar with Bluetooth $129. They got the brushless. I can't see what that is. The grinder $111. You got the 4 amp hour battery $9.99. or 99 bucks. Got the SDS hammer drill, 159. You got the Bulldog at 199. Alright, they got these on clearance, 496 down for 998. The Apex U-Guard. So if you guys don't know what these are, guys, these are meant for electricians, or like this one. It does have insulation, so it'll isolate, basically wherever you're touching and the tool, so you won't get electrocuted. So if you're an electrician, or if you're just not an electrician but you're messing with electricity, Apex is going to be your brand. $13.98. This is the Bosch 3-piece socket adapter set. I was looking at this. It looks pretty nice. I don't know what the quality on these are. I never tested one of these out. Let me know in the comment section if you guys tested any of the bits from Bosch. Now this one's a killer deal. $392. 14-piece Jigsaw blades. Isn't that a killer deal? I couldn't hold myself. I ended up picking one of those up. Alright, you got the circular saw Metabo HPT. Down to 111. It's on clearance. It's a 6.5 deep cut, deep circular saw. You got the 1/2 inch impact wrench, bare tool, 119. Metabo. And then you got this 4-piece combo kit. It's $239 down from $299. Now this one's pretty interesting because it does have a lot of tools in there. It does have an impact driver. It does have a drill driver, oscillating tool, and a one-handed reciprocating saw. And you got some batteries and a charger. You got the cordless impact drill for $143. And that's it right there. It looks just like a drill. It's not a hammer drill or anything. You got the cordless drill driver, $103. You got the impact driver, $111. And the drill driver for $99. So there's a lot of good stuff, guys. This is a great brand. This is a professional great brand. They do have, obviously their top tiers and middle tiers and starter tiers, basically. So they got the buy more save more on this one too. So spend $400. Alright, you got the buy more save more. So you spend $400 and get $150 off. You spend $399 or less, you get $50 off. Obviously the $400 or more is going to get you the best deals. And I believe these are hackable. So you can, keep the tool at a discounted price and return the unwanted tool. Make sure you guys mix and match so you guys can get the best deals, the full benefit. You guys do have to play with the numbers. Make sure you guys do that online. Don't do that at the store because obviously you're going to piss some people off. You got some drill bits here. Nice drill kit. You get the Chameleon here. It's very similar to the Milwaukee. $149 and the DeWalt. You got the drill driver here for $79. I would not get something like this. I would definitely invest in a brushless tool. Spend a little bit more, you get a brushless. This is a brushed, $69. It's a cheap one. However, this one is brushless. It's the RP version, so it's $99. As you guys do see, it's not that much. So they're doing this buy more save more on this one too, as we did see at the other section. You got $21.98 for the 12-piece Linux reciprocating saw blades. It's actually a great brand. I like Linux. You got the infrared thermometer. It's on clearance, $23.97. So if you guys need something like this. Alright guys, so this is the 12-inch sliding compound miter saw that I told you guys that it is eligible for the buy one get one free. They don't have this at the store. They don't have the sale at the store. They will honor it. They should honor it if you show them the online. But that is the miter saw. Supposedly that's the miter saw that you get for free. I'll show you guys the picture right here, so you guys will see what is it online. Alright, so that's the picture. It says buy one get one free, and it is the DWS 779. Alright, so you got the Metabo 12-inch miter saw for $249. Now this is not a slider. And this is the other one that was over there at the end cap that we saw. So for $349 down from $399. That's the one that's on, you know, the buy one get one free. You get the planer. So thickness planer from DeWalt's down to $5.99 from $6.99. Alright, you got the Irwin Rio Chalk for $7, $7.98. Alright, you got these guys. These are new, at least that I've seen at the store. You got the Bora. These are you know, tracks for the, if you want to get a straight cut. These are universal tracks. You can clamp them anywhere. So you guys get yourself a nice cut there. They're $59. And then the buy more, save more Metabo. You guys know, I already told you guys about this one. But they are eligible, so you guys can get these nailers with that discount. So definitely check it out. There's a lot of nailers to choose from. They are professional grade. Got the angled finish nailer, 15 gauge, $299. That was $349. And then you got these 18 gauge brand nailers, $279. That is the kit. 18 gauge. That's actually a really nice nailer. Does have some functions there, some rapid bump function, or the push to trigger. And then you got the multi-straight finish nailer for $399, or you got the lithium-ion pin nailer for $249. So there's different options you guys could get. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. This video is already way too long. Make sure you guys have a great weekend, rest of your week, great and safe weekend. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribes and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.